Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2023 Case IH 620 AFS Connect quad track. This tractor, I'm here in Amboy, Illinois right now. This came in from a outfit that has 3 of these things just west of town here. The tractor is got 36-inch belts that are tracks that are excellent shape. It's got PTO, 4 valves, the large capacity and big pin drawbar. It was placed into service April of this year, so with a 2-year warranty, factory warranty from starting April of 24. You'll have factory warranty, not extended, just the plain factory warranty till April 26. Extended warranties are available and can be purchased if you choose to have a longer warranty period. The spec sheet is posted on the on our website under the service log, so you can see exactly what was ordered. But everything looks really nice on it. I'll get you a picture of the serial plate. There you can see it's a 23, and of course the website has the serial number on it. We'll climb inside. Don't remember what kind of a cab this is. This is called the technology or what exactly. Of course, it's got guidance in it. There's 358 hours. Takes a while for the monitor to warm up and get all its bearings, but again, basically 1 full year plus of warranty. Well, here we go. There's the we'll get the timing, the hours. There's 358 for the engine hours. And just drive around a little, and of course it operates fine. Can go backwards without pushing the clutch, which is what I just did. Again, everything looks good on it. Flex up the paint, the decals are all on it. Hasn't been blown off or brushed off. Mirrors are all intact there. So I think you'll like the looks of this tractor. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video.